If you want to use text message effects on iPhone 17e, it is pretty simple. Once you are trying to start writing a message, once you tap on the text field and open your keyboard, and then over here on the right side we should be able to find this A letter with 3 lines. This is the text effects menu. Also, it is accessible by tapping on the text field, and then if you see text effects option, then of course you can tap on it in order to open it. So what we're gonna do is we can, for example, select the effect that we want to use, and then we can write our message. And there we go, it should work just fine. In case you want to turn it off, you can of course go back and uncheck it. If you already have a text written, you can still go to these effects, and we can also highlight our text. It probably is going to be highlighted automatically, so then you can just immediately tap on the text. And if you want to use only part of your text to be using effects, you can adjust it, of course. We can move it a little bit. There we go. And then we should be able to use the effect quite easily over here, only to the part of our text. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.